Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block all YouTube shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to know that there is no direct way or no YouTube features that will allow you to hide your YouTube shorts. And basically, to do so, you will be needing just to use some third-party application or some extension that you can add to your web browser. That means that would only work in your web and that wouldn't work on your mobile app. So basically, for that, here we can already see that we have these shorts feature or we can still see the shorts. And all you need to do is just to have this specific extension that is called YouTube Enhancer. So here you will find Enhancer for YouTube. And if you want to find it, you will be just needing to go to your web browser store and just search for YouTube Enhancer or Enhancer for YouTube, and you will find many uh, many extensions. And basically, just search for the ones that is recommended and that is verified, so you cannot have some uh, viruses or some bad software. So basically now, after that you have it, I'm just going to click on enable now. So now that I'm having my extension that is enabled, I'm just going to click on it. And basically, if I go down, I will need just to search for the choice that says to hide all my YouTube shorts. So as you can see here, there is hide chat, hide comments, and basically you can control all your YouTube from this application, and that only works on the web. So basically, I'm just going to click on hide shorts, and from here, I will need just to refresh, and here we can see that I no longer have this YouTube shorts. So if I go to YouTube, now I have no way on how to go to the YouTube shorts, except if you go to history and go for others video, of course. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.